Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can pin to taskbar in Windows. So let's start. So I'm in here, and I will open a folder which is free, and when I'm going to I don't know, let's just right click on a application, and you're gonna see pin to taskbar, and here you can see it right here. You can clearly just move it here. It's up to you. And when I'm going to play the game, and I have the Age of Empires, I love the game. I will show you. So this is the third one, and starting out again, I can pin to taskbar. It's really simple and really easy. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.